Hi, this is Tech with Costa, and I'm sharing my engineering journey. Then the next step is to install a terminal, and I'm going to use the native terminal from Windows 11. Normally, this terminal already is installed on Windows 11, but I'm not sure if it is installed on Windows 10. I don't think so. If it's not, just go to Microsoft Store, the app from Windows, and search for terminal, and then find Windows Terminal. Make sure it's from Microsoft Corporation, and then just hit get. And then it will download it and install it. Click open, and then the terminal will appear. Close Microsoft Store, right click to pin this into the taskbar because you will use this often. So we can maximize this, and by default it's starting up as Windows PowerShell. And this is cool because in the same window of the terminal you are able to create multiple terminals actually. So I can have Windows PowerShell, then I can use command prompt. So this works in tabs. This is very useful. And of course I can also open the Ubuntu terminal that we just installed, associated with the Linux distribution that we installed. Cool. Then I want to make this terminal default. So I go to this arrow and I go to settings and I go to default profile. Then I select Ubuntu and then save. Then I can close the terminal, close all, open a new terminal, and boom, now it's by default the Linux distribution. Nice. So then the next step is to update and upgrade the Linux distribution. Just copy these two commands and run them, sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Insert the password you defined, and then this is like Microsoft updates but for Linux, and then type Y to accept, enter, and it's downloading and installing the updates. Okay, everything was installed. That's good. Now a quick tip about Windows File Explorer. So from Linux terminal you are able to run this command to open Windows File Explorer in the current Linux directory. This is very useful to transfer files between your Windows machine and the Linux instance. So, for example, if I go to cd // I'm on the root, then imagine I have a project inside the dev folder, right? From the dev folder, I can run explorer.exe and then .. And this will open my Windows File Explorer on that specific directory. And this is very useful to quickly find via UI the same folder. And then if I had to move files into this folder, I would just copy the files from Windows and paste them here and so on, vice versa. Nice. Then you can review some Linux commands in this video that I've recorded. If you are a beginner or not, if you want to check it out, please do. It's basically basic Linux commands for beginners. I did a brief overview on that. Good luck. Peace.